Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm coming live and clear from my beautiful home here in the village in Kenya, Africa. And today, it's a blessing. I'm rectifying the road. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Today, they are doing what we call they are bringing big machines in the village to prepare the road. It has been raining days and days and days and days. Tata, that's gonna work that. Niankogote. So look what they are doing. Hey. Yes. This is a big surprise from the government today, and this is what they are doing. They are trying to make our road. They are trying to make our road. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Great. Recently it has been raining and it has been really crazy. We have been stuck. I brought my motorbike, but really it has been crazy. Moving, staggering around here with the motorbike on this muddy road. So today they are trying to dig and do something special on this road, so that at least maybe some days when my friends come with me with their car, or my brother or myself, maybe sometimes hiring, I can just pass smoothly heading to our beautiful home. Yeah, so with this, it's amazing. But today, what is it today? Today is a big surprise from the US. Today is a big surprise for my wife. And so I want to do what you call doing some. What am I doing? Sorry, I have a cold flu. I don't know if it's a flu, but something like that. It has been raining a lot, and that's a blessing. And thank you so much for returning subscribers, for coming back to watch our videos. I really appreciate your love and support. And for those who view and comment, be blessed also. So today we want to be sharing with you about the kitchen garden, and also the kitchen itself. So I want to plant something. This is from one of the greatest motivations and inspiration from K&M Farms Limited. Please go check them out. K&M Farms Limited. They are agriculture company that really motivates youths and inspire youths to venture into agriculture. And also they are good at making land into golden. So yeah, so we're gonna do something called from the land direct to the table. So I want to fence. My wife was doing something here, but before that, so my wife planted here scales or sukuma wiki, and they have started to sprout. As you see, they've started to sprout out. And the chicken can't give them time. The chicken around here can't give them time. So the better thing is for me to do a small fencing around this place. Then we want to do something special for what is happening around here. For that, in that regard, therefore, ensure subscribe. Don't forget to share. And remember, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So I want to make some holes around. I want to see what's happening. Alright? See you. Definitely, I've been doing what we call digging some holes around here, and then I want to use some little poles all around up the other side, just to protect the veggies that are around here. And also, you see, these are the times of, yeah, so instead of me buying a wire mesh, I had to improvise the nets. You see, these ones are mosquito nets that are unused. So sometimes people take them and they go burn them. So with me, I want to use them to make something constructive in this kitchen garden for us. And then from here, we want to go inside our kitchen, and then you want to see what's happening around. Just doing some improvement, slowly by slowly, living off-grid life. Just living off-grid life in our beautiful homestead over here in Kenya, Africa. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this over here. So here it should be your kitchen garden. The other time we wanted to plant what we call grass, but we decided to see that instead of us buying veggies, let's just try to plant some veggies over here. Some were they're near the Nini? Acha uongele. So bananas are doing very well on the other side. Very, you see, very big. Bananas are doing very nice. So we were like, just put here some kills and then we wanna see what's happening. So you'll help me guys to fence and then wanna see what's happening. All right, let me know in the comment section, do you use also mosquito nets to do what you call like fencing on your sukuma wiki or around your kitchen garden, or do you use the chicken mesh or chicken wire mesh? Yeah, you know, with me I can't just buy a kitchen wire mesh around here because this place is a little small, and you know, sometimes we'll be jumping in and out. So if it's just to buy chicken wire mesh, it's just to fence the entire home. So yeah, let's wait and see. For now, let's use the mosquito nets and let me show you how we do it in the village around here. I'm trying to use the machete to cut off the tree so that they can aid me making up the fence, you know. Yeah. Let's go a little bit, guys. Okay. So this is so just like that. Wait fast. Mabiko kwa ndani jina alikukua sasa, hiyo ndio nataka nitumie kulima. Is that what you see? I've been fencing all the way through this other side, also up to the far end, you see, so just to protect the chicken from jumping in. So sometimes when I get the chicken, so this, over here we have just planted some kales and they're very young. So I want just to do a small trench on this side heading to the other end, and I want to show you what's happening. All right, and then from to the kitchen over there. And also I'm with my young brother. Today they never went to school because it's Saturday. Introduce yourself, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude's Faith YouTube channel. Just I'm new there. Subscribe. My name is Claude. Welcome to this channel again. Subscribe there. Like, share, leave us a comment. Yeah, road to 2K subscribers, 4,000 hours.
Alright, man.
Yes.
So I want to do, I'm having a very big jembe like this. So I want to just return this one over here. You know, sometimes these chicken, they always jump. They can jump over here. So it's better for me to do just a small punch like this. So to protect them from scratching up the mosquito net. So most of the mosquito net, if you have a mosquito net that is you're not using, that is outdated or has expired, don't throw it. If you have a land like this where you feel like you wanna plant some kitchen farm, you can just use them to just protect, you can protect your kitchen farm using these ones. It's a very nice technology. So this one protects birds from entering your farm mostly. More so chicken. Just like that, and you are good to go. Just like that, to protect your kitchen garden. The djembe, slowly by slowly. So this one, so just like that, it's better now. Time to go home. Now we want some of the kales. They'll grow, and also I want to bring some and put them just around. Okay? Yeah. So let me wash this. Then we wanna go to the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. So in the kitchen, and this is how the kitchen looks like. Have some cereals inside here, some wheat flour and ugali flour, some beans, of course sugar. These are called KDF because they are so hard. There are certain mandazis which are very hard. We also have fermented milk. Of course, a home like this must have fermented milk, and of course On this other side we have rosemary. Yeah, this one I came with them from K&M Farms Limited. They really supported me. So every morning I always have that. So like now, when I've just from when I went to the land, I just boiled them with some little sugar. I drink, and now also I don't know what they have prepared. Maybe porridge, because you also have in the morning when kids are going to school, they always have breakfast. So you pass through that, and then by 10 or 9 a.m. you have your own porridge. We had a very great big surprise from USA. So you see right here, and then it's both electric and gas. So this just to support my wife, you see. Something like that, they have what you call like sensor. So when there's any fault of leakage, they can't do what you call like lit. So we have a 4-burner, both electric. This one is electric, and then these others are what you call like for the gas. This is for the oven. So maybe sometimes we'll be baking inside here, maybe cakes and something else. You see in here, this one just rotate when it's that way. No, they always put. So you see it's rotating. You see inside there, it's rotating. So if you have your chicken, you want to make your chicken barbecue, you rotate it. So you put there your kitchen or your chicken, and then you see how it's rotating slowly by slowly. That's why you see, you hear it's making noise, here. You see? So yeah, put it off just like that, and then when you put it on, it rotates from here. Yeah, so that's what you see, and then it's just manual on it, something like how you see it. I'm really sweating because I came from the land, and that's what you see, just moving slowly by slowly, living off-grid life in the village. Inside there, sweating like crazy. So from there will be kitchen garden, is just near here. So you just come from the kitchen over there, and then you do what you call like, you come on this side, you approach your scuba wiki, your nightshade, your everything, maybe sugar cane also, we have it over there in the house, and you do your own stuff, So from here I'll be showing you what's happening also around as we are moving around. All right, okay, let's check the final of them building our road over here, fixing the road, man. It's very nice. And the good thing from my home to the main road, just a few way. So waiting, and then we show you the end product, then it will be very good and nice of what's happening over here. At least now this guy is trying to build it very nicely. The other time we were stuck here, even with the motorbike you couldn't pass, but for now he's really doing at least a better job from here downwards. That's what you see. There was a very big hole down here where you couldn't pass. When it rains, the water crouch here, but for now that's what you see up the far end. Yay! It's coming up nicely, guys, as you see, and the chicken are just enjoying some flies from there. Oh, nice. See how it's doing it. Slowly by slowly, guys, slowly by slowly doing it. Sango real. ko tiri non ku yare. It wants to rain, and have been always at the land. Just change the narratives. Oh, look at my legs. Oh my god. Yeah. So today baby Hunter is there, and it hasn't gone anywhere. Early in the morning I went to bring the seeing that place. Look how it is. So, and also I've been extending this place all over to this side. This is what you have seen here. I have been working for all around, you know, digging here, digging. So I want to plant a lot of kales or some veggies like this. The other time when we planted some veggies here, you see how they did very well, very well, despite that there are a lot of chicken that are trying to eat them around here. Yeah, so I want to do something special over here. Hey, somebody stole my gem. Oh no, it's here. I want to look how these bulldozers were trying to dig the road. So yeah, I want to just to dig this whole place, to just extend all that up to that end. All right, and it wants to rain. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. The sky tells you, I want to rain. I want to bring a lot of blessings to you, you know. All right, let's also appreciate the nature by digging and by doing some positive things about it. Okay. Hello, hi. This place is amazing, man. That's what you see. You're digging. Easy. Ooh, something like that. So this is all what you see. So we'll be planting more of kales on the other end, you know, slowly by slowly. So yeah, just put this over here. These are trunks of banana, you know, to be helping me to deal with this all the way through the other. Your boy CJ is done. I really appreciate your love and support for watching this video to the end. I appreciate that, guys. Now it's me and my tools that on far. It's making a lot of noise. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. Be blessed all. Thank you so much. It wants to rain and I'll be ending my video right here. As I say, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. It's now for me to go take my cold shower and we'll be done. Thank you so much. Be blessed and bye bye from the beautiful over here in Kenya, Africa. Bye.